Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing for the month of March. Inside you do get a product card that gives you more information about all the teas. Ooh, spicy green, that looks good. So you have all the names, steeping times, the caffeine levels, all that good stuff. So let's take a look. I smell it. It smells really good. It might be that spicy one I'm smelling. So because you do get a mixture of loose leaf tea and some that are already in the little bags, they do send you some bags so you can put your loose leaf tea in it. So I do like that. I don't like the tea strainers, not a fan of those. So the first one I'm pulling out is White Pomegranate by Davidson Organics Tea, and there's 4 of those. I feel like there's always 4 when you get individual packets like that. So they give you a couple. And then this is loose leaf tea, so you get 1 packet of this. It says spicy green. Cinnamon and cloves, that's what I'm smelling. It does have a spicy scent to it. Probably gonna like that a lot, I can tell. Another loose leaf tea, we have Lemon Twist Black by Heavenly Tea Leaves. I like the see-through packages. See all the lemongrass in there. But that one's really good too. And from Davidstea, we have Organic The Glow Floral Beauty Elixir. Let's see what kind of floral is in there. Rose petals, marigold. There's some peach in there. Interesting. And then there's a little card that says Ascend. Little postcard from Davidson Tea. Very cool. So when you sign up, you probably won't get the same tea that I have since you fill out a profile. They're trying to gear it towards what you like, but that is the tea that came in my box. If you'd like to join and sign up for a subscription, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.